Welcome to Rafael's farm. Today we're gonna try to catch a chicken. And then the goats get out. Oh no! Let's see if Rafael can catch this white chicken. Oh, saved by the cow. Now let's try to catch a black chicken. Oh no, we left the door open. The goats have escaped and are eating all of the hay. Did you know that goats can climb?
Oh my gosh.
I think we'll have to figure out how to get these goats back into their pen. Wow, I think his head is itchy. Wait a minute, that's not a goat. Let's use the corn to bring them back to the pen. It worked.
We're gonna go catch a white chicken. Where is it? Okay, ready, set, go! Run faster!